Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox upgrade. Your version of Roblox is out of date and will not work properly on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting your version is out of date and will not work properly in your Android phone, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to tap on the settings. In this you need to find apps or manage apps. Just tap on the apps. Here you need to find Roblox. Just tap on the Roblox. Just tap on the storage and cache. Once you have to click on clear cache. After that you need to click on clear storage. Before clicking out OK, you have to make sure that you have read this one. This app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, database and other app data. After that click OK. Then check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then try the second method. Just tap on the Play Store. Then type here Roblox. If your Roblox app is not up to date, just update it from here. That's it guys. After doing this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.